Students, in this video we will solve this question with some easy quick technique. This technique is very useful in solving this question in few seconds. And if someone tried to solve this question with some regular techniques, it will take lengthy calculation which is not useful. If someone going to appear in entrance exam for some university, then this technique is very useful for these students. See the question right here. We have a rational function, and in most of these rational functions people try to use this formula for integration, but in this case this formula is not helpful. Here we have the function right here, and its derivative is not given in the numerator. In such problems we are not going to use this formula, so this question is not easy to solve with some regular technique. Here we are going to use a formula which is very helpful in solving this question, and it will take only few seconds. Here is the formula. Like you are given a function with some constants a into cosine of the theta, b into sine of theta, divided by c into cos of theta plus d into sine of theta, d theta. Then it can be integrated like this. First of all, you will multiply these coefficients AC and then add product of these two constants b and d, and then divided this value with the square of these two values c square plus d square. Multiply this value with variable x, then add. I'm going to remove these circles. Once you learn this formula, this question is very easily solvable in few seconds. Then you multiply the coefficients of these functions diagonally, like AD minus CB and divided by c square plus d square, and then multiply this product log of the denominator. This formula is very useful. You just put the values of a, b, c, d and take the log of the denominator with the constant of integration c. Your questions will be solved. Now for the solution of our given problem, we will transform the given question. In this scenario you have cos function at first and then sine function, so it will be like cos theta cos of x plus 3 sine x divided by 5 into cos of x plus 2 sine of x dx. Now you can see that you have a equals to 1 and b equals to 3 by this value, c equals to 5 and d equals to 2. You are going to put these coefficients in this formula and it will be your answer, like AC, it will be 5 plus BD, B and D, it will be 6 divided by c square plus d square, c square plus d, 25 plus 4, it will be 29 into x. Then plus AD minus CB, AD 2 minus 15 divided by 29, again because c square plus d square is the same as like the previous value, and then log of the denominator 5 into cos of theta, it will be x, x plus 2 into sine of x and constant of integration c. This is the required answer. Here is another question. We have the function 1 over 2 plus 2 into cot of theta, and first of all we will change the form of the function. Replace this cot of x with cos x over sin x and then take the LCM. You will get sine of x and divided by 2 sine x plus 3 into cos of x dx. Now for using the formula, we will transform the function like this: 0 into cos of x plus sine x divided by 3 cos x plus 2 sine of x dx. Now while using this quick formula, we will get our required answer, and which is, we will multiply these coefficients, it will be 0, plus multiply these coefficients, here we have 1 and 2, we will get 2, and divided by this square of this value and this value, it will be 9 plus 4 13. So 0 plus 2 over 13, you can write it like 2 over 13 into x plus, now we will multiply the coefficients diagonally like this. We will multiply these two coefficients, it will give you 0, plus now you will going to multiply these two coefficients, it will give you 3, and divided by the same square of these two functions, 3 square plus 2 square, it will be 13 like this. And change this like 3 by 13 for simplicity, because 0 is not variable. And then log of the denominator, 3 into cos of x plus 2 into sine x, and this is our required answer. You can see very quickly we solve this very complicated integral in few seconds. Thank you. Now after simplification, we have this integral in which a equals to 0, b equal 1, c equals 3, and d equals to 2. Now we will replace these values in this formula, and we will get 0 plus 2 over 3 square plus 2 square, 9 plus 4, it will be 13, and 0 is useless, you can write it this value like 2 by 13, multiply by x plus now we will multiply diagonally this factor, 0 minus 3 divided by again 3 square plus 2 square, it will be 13. So here 0 is again useless, we will write it like minus 3 by 13, and then log of the denominator, here we have the denominator 3 into cos of x plus 2 sine of x, and constant of integration c, here we have the answer very quickly. Thank you.